guys, I am Survi and today I'll tell you what are the basic materials you need to draw mandala. So you just need some basic things to draw mandalas like this. So now let's begin. So the first thing that you need to draw mandala is a good quality paper. So I use these two sketchbooks to draw mandalas. One is A4 size and the other is A5. So now I'll tell you about the page quality. So this is a A5 sketchbook. The pages are of 150 GSM. I use this to draw small size mandalas. And the other one is A4 sketchbook. And pages of this sketchbook are of 180 GSM. So now I'll tell you the exact thing you need. So you can use any paper which is 150 GSM or above 150 GSM. You need a good quality paper to draw mandalas because if you use a low quality paper to draw mandalas, the page will damage. So always use a paper of 150 GSM or above. And about the A4 or A5, if you want to draw big mandalas, then you can use A4 size paper, and if you want smaller mandalas, you can use A5 sketchbook. Then after a good quality paper, you need a compass to draw circles. You can use any kind of compass as long as it helps you to draw circles perfectly. So this one is a normal compass. Then you need a scale. I use 30 centimeter scale for drawing mandalas. If you can also use 15 centimeter scale, both works good. And then a very important thing that you need is a protector. And trust me, this tool makes mandalas 100x better because this helps to draw grid. So if you want to learn mandalas, make sure you have this tool because if you have a protector, you can draw mandalas perfectly. It helps in drawing patterns from the very beginning. Even if you are a beginner, you need this. Then you need pencil, eraser, and after all this, you need pen to draw mandalas. So I use these three kind of pens. These two are gel pens, and this one is a roller pen. And you can also use fine liners, but my favorite is a roller pen. So I mostly use roller pen to draw mandalas, but also sometimes I use gel pen, and both of these works amazing to draw mandalas. So these are all the materials you need to start drawing mandalas. You don't need anything else. And I hope that you are no longer confused about what are the materials you need to start mandala. And if you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. And if this video helped you, you can check other mandala tutorials on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.